So I got my fog lights that I ordered from eBay, and it finally came. And we're gonna have my boy install it, and then show you guys the finished product. As y'all know, I have the 2018 Honda Accord LX. So being it's an LX model, you don't get none of that. No fog lights, no sunroof, but it's all good. No sports button, but it's all good. I was able to modify my car. So stick around, don't touch that dial, and we'll be right back with the finished project. Fog lights, here we come. Yeah. The reason I'm here, that's his Type R, by the way. My boy Michael's Type R. Looking nice, isn't it? I'm getting the fog lights installed. Yep, everybody's been telling me you dressed up your car looking like a Type R, but you ain't got no fog lights. So without any further ado, that's what we're doing. We're installing the fog lights. So I'll show you guys what's going on. I like that. Nice. That's the shit. Woo. Finally, the finished product. Fog lights installed. That's all I needed for cosmetics.